you look at the transistors, 1 angstrom matters. Now, within a small space of 20 nanometer, we put 5-6 different materials. Everything is around 1 nanometer. 1 angstrom matters. 1 angstrom, not that it's not going to work. Imagine that 1 angstrom matters in a 1 transistor. If you really multiply the number of transistors times number of wafers times number of fabs, you quickly calculate 10 to 20 times. You need a 1 angstrom accuracy in an industrial scale. That is phenomenally complex. What can you think about 10 to 20? And that's only analogy for me keeps coming is when you walk to the beach, you look at all the sand grains, everything, all the sand, every grain has to be 1 angstrom accuracy.